In 2026, students don't need more apps, they need the right AI tools to learn faster and think deeper daily. Now let's look at students need the right AI workflow. In 2026, students do not need more random apps. They need the right AI tools for the right study task. One tool may help you understand a concept. Another may help you organize notes. Another may help with research, writing, or presentations. The goal is not to let AI replace your thinking. The goal is to use AI to learn faster and think deeper. Now let's look at what you will learn. First, we will understand what makes an AI tool useful for students. Then we will cover the best AI tool categories. We will look at tutors, research tools, writing tools, note tools, and presentation tools. We will also discuss coding, productivity, and exam preparation. Finally, we will learn how to use AI responsibly. By the end, you will know how to build a smart AI study workflow. Now let's look at the big rule: learn, don't copy. AI can explain, summarize, quiz, and organize. But copying AI answers blindly is a bad habit. It weakens learning. It can also create academic integrity problems. The best students use AI as a tutor, coach, and thinking partner. They ask for hints, feedback, examples, and practice questions. They still do the final thinking themselves. Now let's look at tool category 1, AI study tutors. AI study tutors help you understand difficult topics. They can explain concepts in simple language. They can ask practice questions. They can guide you step by step. They are useful for math, science, coding, writing, and general learning. Examples include ChatGPT Study Mode, Claude Learning Mode, Gemini, Copilot, and Khanmigo. Use these tools when you feel stuck and need guided explanation. Now let's look at how to use AI tutors better. Do not ask only, give me the answer. Ask, teach me step by step. Ask, give me hints first. Ask, quiz me after the explanation. Ask, explain like I am new to this topic. Ask, show one easy example and one exam-style example. This turns the AI into a learning partner instead of an answer machine. Now let's look at tool category 2, source-grounded study tools. Some AI tools work best when you upload your own materials. These are useful for class notes, PDFs, textbooks, slides, and research papers. The tool answers based on your sources. This is helpful because it keeps learning closer to your actual course content. NotebookLM is a strong example of a source-grounded study tool. It can help turn complex materials into clearer study outputs. Use it when your course material is the most important source. Now let's look at how to use notebook-style AI tools. Upload lecture notes, PDFs, slides, and reading materials. Ask for a summary by chapter or section. Ask for key concepts and definitions. Ask for a study guide. Ask for likely exam questions. Ask it to compare 2 chapters or papers. Always verify important points against the original source. Now let's look at tool category 3, research assistants. Research assistants help students find and understand academic sources. They are useful for literature reviews, essays, projects, and dissertations. A good research tool can search papers, summarize findings, and extract evidence. Elicit is one example for scientific and academic research. Perplexity can help with web-based research and cited answers. Zotero helps organize and cite sources. These tools are most useful when you need evidence, not just opinions. Now let's look at research workflow for students. Start with a clear research question. Use an AI research tool to find relevant sources. Use summaries to decide what to read first. Open the original paper or source. Save citations in a reference manager. Make notes in your own words. Never cite something you did not actually check. Now let's look at tool category 4, writing and editing tools. Writing tools help improve clarity, grammar, structure, and tone. They can help with essays, reports, emails, applications, and summaries. Grammarly is a common writing support tool. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Copilot can also help with drafts and feedback. But the goal should be better writing, not hidden copying. Ask AI to critique your draft. Then revise it in your own voice. Now let's look at better writing prompts. Instead of asking, "Write my essay," ask for feedback. Ask, "Is my argument clear?" Ask, "Where do I need stronger evidence?" Ask, "Improve grammar but keep my voice." Ask, "Suggest a better structure." Ask, "Create an outline, not the final essay." This helps you learn writing instead of outsourcing it. Now let's look at tool category 5, flashcards and exam practice. Flashcard tools help with memory and revision. Quizlet is a popular study platform for flashcards and practice. AI can help turn notes into questions. It can create multiple choice questions. It can generate short answer practice. It can help identify weak areas. This is useful for exam preparation and spaced revision. Now let's look at how to practice smarter. Do not only reread notes. Ask AI to quiz you. Ask for mixed difficulty questions. Ask for explanations after each answer. Ask for a weak area review plan. Use spaced repetition for memory-heavy subjects. Active recall usually beats passive reading. Now let's look at tool category 6, presentation and design tools. Students often need slides, posters, infographics, and project visuals. Canva is useful for presentations and design. AI design tools can help turn ideas into visual layouts. They can suggest slide structures and graphics. They can help make projects look more professional. But visuals should support the idea, not hide weak content. Always check facts, labels, and citations before presenting. Now let's look at better presentation workflow. Start with your main message. Ask AI to create an outline. Turn each section into one slide idea. Use design tools for clean visuals. Keep text short. Add diagrams where they improve understanding. Practice explaining the slide in your own words. Now let's look at tool category 7, coding and technical learning. AI coding tools can help students learn programming. They can explain code. They can debug errors. They can generate practice problems. They can suggest project ideas. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, and coding assistants can support learning. But you should not submit code you do not understand. Ask the AI to teach the logic, not just write the solution. Now let's look at better coding prompts. Ask, explain this error in simple language. Ask, show the concept before the code. Ask, give me a small practice problem. Ask, review my code and explain improvements. Ask, do not give the full answer yet, give hints first. Ask, create test cases for my solution. This builds real coding skill. Now let's look at tool category 8, planning and productivity. Students also need planning tools. AI can help create a weekly study plan. It can break a project into tasks. It can convert deadlines into a schedule. It can help prioritize subjects. It can summarize notes after class. Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, and similar assistants can support study organization. The key is to turn tasks into a realistic plan. Now let's look at a smart daily AI study routine. Start by asking AI to explain one difficult topic. Then ask for 3 practice questions. Upload or paste your notes for summarization. Create flashcards from important definitions. Ask for a 30-minute revision plan. Write a short explanation in your own words. Use AI to check clarity, not to replace your answer. Now let's look at example workflow, exam preparation. First, upload or summarize your syllabus. Ask AI to create a topic-wise revision plan. Ask for difficult concepts in simple language. Generate practice questions. Review your wrong answers. Ask for a weak area improvement plan. Repeat this cycle until you can explain the topic yourself. Now let's look at example workflow, research assignment. Start with your assignment question. Ask AI to break it into sub-questions. Use research tools to find reliable sources. Use a reference manager to organize citations. Ask AI to create an outline. Write the draft yourself. Use AI for feedback, clarity, and structure. Now let's look at example workflow, group project. AI can help organize group projects. It can define roles. It can create a timeline. It can summarize meeting notes. It can draft slide outlines. It can create checklists for final review. But the group should still make the final decisions. AI should support teamwork, not replace it. Now let's look at choosing the right AI tool. Use AI tutors when you need explanation. Use source-grounded tools when you need course-specific answers. Use research tools when you need papers and evidence. Use writing tools when you need clarity and feedback. Use flashcard tools when you need revision. Use design tools when you need presentations. Use productivity tools when you need planning. Now let's look at what students should avoid. Do not copy AI answers without understanding. Do not use AI to cheat on assignments. Do not trust every AI answer. Do not cite fake sources. Do not upload sensitive personal data casually. Do not ignore your school's AI policy. Do not let AI reduce your own thinking practice. Now let's look at privacy and academic integrity. Every student should understand tool privacy and school rules. Some tools may store prompts or uploaded files. Some assignments may restrict AI usage. Some teachers may allow AI for brainstorming but not final answers. Always check your institution's policy. Keep personal, financial, or sensitive data out of prompts. Responsible use protects both learning and trust. Now let's look at the best AI tool stack for students. A smart student tool stack is simple. 1 AI tutor for explanations. 1 source-grounded tool for notes and PDFs. 1 research tool for papers. 1 writing feedback tool. 1 flashcard or quiz tool. 1 presentation/design tool. 1 planning assistant for schedules and deadlines. Now let's look at final content recap. The best AI tools help students learn, practice, research, write, and organize. AI tutors explain difficult topics. Source-grounded tools help with notes and PDFs. Research tools help find evidence. Writing tools improve clarity. Flashcard tools support revision. Design tools improve presentations. The goal is not to study less, it is to study smarter. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of best AI tools for students in 2026. Study smarter with AI, review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like students need the right AI workflow. What you will learn, the big rule: learn, don't copy when practicing. Subscribe to Easy Machine Learning Guide if you want to learn AI through simple explanations and real industry examples.